This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Gayle Upchurch. Stunning custom-built all-brick ranch. 1 acre, spacious open floor plan, great room west/gas fireplace and vaulted ceiling, dining room, double tray ceilings in living room dining room, and master bedroom, recessed lighting, open kitchen has solid surface counters, maple cabinets, breakfast bar, breakfast nook, and stainless appliances. Master bath has separate shower and jetted tub. Huge frog, Mancave, features half bath. Now this is beautiful country living. For more information, review the details below or contact Gayle Upchurch at 757-377-6689.